How's it going, guys? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Cherokee 23 MK. We're going to start with our storage area first. Now on this specific camper, it does not go all the way through, but you do still have plenty of storage underneath there. One slide out on this travel trailer altogether. You can see that we do have an awning on the campsite here, as well as a little outdoor kitchen. This outdoor kitchen consists of a little fridge to keep your drinks cold, as well as an ice maker. We do have dual axle on this travel trailer. You can also see those nice solid steps underneath the entry door. And if we take a step on the inside of this travel trailer, we're going to start with our living room area first. So you have this couch on the very back wall. It does turn into a bed in case you do have some late night stragglers. And then, like I said, one slide out in total. And the slide out is going to consist of your U-shaped dinette. You do have pull-out drawers underneath, fireplace and entertainment center right off of it. And then across from all of that, you're going to find your kitchen area. So you have a really nice single basin sink. You have your microwave, 3-burner cooktop, oversized 12-volt refrigerator. Now, the cool thing about this refrigerator, it does open from both sides. And then we make our way towards the middle of this travel trailer. We're going to find our walk-through bathrooms. So you have your storage, you have your corner medicine cabinet, sink, toilet down below, and then on the other side you're going to find your radius shower with your skylight above and extra storage to the right of it. If we make our way towards the front of this travel trailer, we're going to find our main bedroom. This is going to be a queen size bed. You have storage surrounding, outlets and chargers on either side, as well as windows. And then directly across from the bed, you're going to have another TV backer. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Cherokee 23 MK. Thank you so much. Have a great day. And then, like I said, one slide out in total. And the slide out is going to consist of your U-shaped dinette. You do have pull-out drawers underneath, fireplace and